Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 7 of the baby's food chart. Today's breakfast is going to be idli. We are going to give idli along with milk. For preparing normal and vegetable idlis, you can refer day 2 videos. The link will be given in the description. Coming back to the breakfast, soak the idli in milk for few minutes and feed the babies. Around 11 o'clock for the snacks, we are going to give potato fingers. For this, we need a small sized potato. Peel it. Chop it lengthwise. Now let us half cook them in water. So pour some water, add a little salt and let this boil for around 3 to 4 minutes. This is half cooked now. We can take it out and set this aside. And next I'm going to prepare hung curd. If you have hung curd, it is fine. Otherwise, take a cloth. This is around half a cup of curd. Instead of curd, you can use yogurt, and if your yogurt is somewhat thick, you can use it as it is. You don't need to hang it like this. So I'm going to hang this somewhere safe for around 15 to 20 minutes. My hung curd is ready. To this I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Give a nice mix. To this, let us add a pinch of turmeric powder, our hung curd mix is ready, and apart from this, take some rice flour in a plate. Now coat the potato with hung curd mix and roll it on the rice flour. These are ready to be fried. Pour some oil in a pan. And now it's time to shallow fry the potatoes. Turn and cook properly. As the snacks is heavy, we are not going to complicate the lunch. For the lunch, we are going to give a simple ghee rice. So take enough cooked rice. We are going to add some ghee and mash it. You can add around half or 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is very essential for babies. It is very important for a healthy weight gain. So here the ghee rice is ready. This you can give around 1 o'clock. Around 4 o'clock for the snacks, we can give half a banana. It is not a compulsion that you have to give bananas. As far as fruits are concerned, you can give any kind of fruit. Along with the bananas, I am going to give split green gram milk. I am going to use whole jaggery as a sweetener here. Take as much of jaggery you want and dissolve it in water. Keep this on flame until it gets completely dissolved. Set this aside and add a teaspoon of ghee in a pan. To this, add half a cup of split green gram, that is moong dal. I have already cleaned the moong dal in water and I have dried it. Don't add ghee initially if your dal is not cleaned. In that case, dry roast them, clean them in water and then add a little ghee. Here I have transferred the fried dal into the pressure cooker and I am adding 2 cups of water. Close this and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Here the dal is ready. Now let us filter and add the melted jaggery. Let this boil for about 2 minutes. Once it is thick, you can add around 2 cups of milk. The milk I am using here is already boiled. Boil this for 2 minutes and then you can switch off the flame. For half a cup of dal, you'll get around 3 cups of this. So if it is for a single cup, use a handful of dal, that is fine. So our moong dal milk is ready. Finally, for the dinner, we are going to give barley porridge. Let us take a handful of barley for the recipe. Clean this and soak this in water for about an hour or two. Barley won't get cooked quickly, so you have to soak it beforehand. This is after an hour. This is little soft now. For soaking, I have used 1 cup of water. Along with the water, I have transferred everything into a pressure cooker. To this, add a small piece of carrot, onions and tomatoes. Along with this, I am going to add a pinch of turmeric powder, cumin powder and pepper powder. Close this and pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles. This will be little difficult to mash, so I am going to cool it down and transfer this into a mixie jar and grind it coarsely. Don't make it into a paste, just pulse it. You can add barley in your baby's diet once or twice in a week. And here is a barley porridge for babies. So we are at the end of the baby food chart. Hope all the 7 videos were useful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.